Welcome back students. In the last video, we have converted the Legendre's linear differential equation with variable coefficients into constant coefficients by using this substitution. So now we can continue this example. So what is the auxiliary equation here, student? What is the auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation is auxiliary equation is 4m square minus 8m minus 12y is equal to 0, or by taking 4 common, this is m square minus 2m minus 3. So this is 4m square minus 8m minus 12 equal to 0. This is m square minus 2m minus 3 by taking 4 common equal to 0. So what are the roots here? You will get that is 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. So that is 2, 3 ones are 3. So 3 ones are 3 is here minus sign, this is plus sign. Okay. So therefore 4 never equal to 0, 4 not equal to 0. Only thing is m square minus 2m minus 3 equal to 0. M square minus 3m plus m minus 3 equal to 0. So this is m into m minus 3 plus 1 into m minus 3 equal to 0. So m minus 1 into m minus 3 equal to 0. Roots are m is equal to 1 and minus 3. M is equal to this is m plus 1, sorry, m is equal to minus 1 and 3. So roots are real and distinct. So what is the complementary function? Yc is equal to c1 e raised to minus t, because t is the independent variable, plus c2 into e raised to 3t is the complementary function, students. Now let us go for particular solution. What is yp? Yp is equal to 3 e raised to t plus 2 divided by, on cross multiplication you will get 4d square minus 8d minus 12. Further this can be written as, so numerator is sum of two terms divided by function of d can be written as separately, which is 3 e raised to t divided by, we will take 4 common here, this is d square minus 2d minus 3 plus 2 divided by 4 times of d square minus 2d minus 3. So look at, student. So this is a type 1 example, because exponential divided by function of d. Here constant divided by function of d is also same as 2 can be written as 2 into 1 and 1 can be written as e raised to 0 into t. So this is also exponential divided by function of d. So how to evaluate? Or it's a type 1 example. Type 1 example is e raised to a t divided by function of d. In such a case, so how to evaluate this? This is e raised to a t divided by, replace d by a. That is, replace capital D by this a. Okay. So now it will become yp is equal to, replace d by a value is 1 here a value is 0. So this is 3 e raised to t divided by 4 times of 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 3 plus 2 into e raised to 0 into t divided by, replace d by 0 here, 0 square minus 2 into 0 minus 3. So now it will become yp is equal to 3 e raised to t divided by 4 into 1 minus 2 minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 into 4 is minus 16 plus 2. This is e raised to 0 into t is 1. You can write it as a 1. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Or this is same as minus times of 3 by 16 e raised to t minus 1 by 6. 2 ones are 2 6. So this is yp. So finally, general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. What is yc students? C1 e raised to, roots are 3 and minus 1. 3 and minus 1 is e raised to minus t plus C2 e raised to 3t. Yp value is minus 3 by 16 e raised to t minus 1 by 6. Students, further we are going to convert t in terms of x. What is the value of t in terms of x? So you know that the value of t is equal to log of 2x plus 1. So t value is log of 2x plus 1, and you also know what is e raised to t becomes 2x plus 1. So on substitute these two in our equation, you will get y is equal to c1 e raised to minus t. E raised to t is 2x plus 1. Raise both sides by minus 1. You will get 2x plus 1 whole raised to minus 1. That is 2x plus whole raised to minus 1 plus c2 into e raised to 3t means raise both sides by 3. So therefore it will become 2x plus 1 whole raised to 3 minus 3 by 16 into e raised to t is 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 6. So this is the general solution of the students. Hope you will understand the given example. In the next video, we will come with the example on this. Thank you so much.